Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is your friendly neighborhood trader Ankan. I hope you are doing well. This is the monthly reading for Cancer or Karkat Rashi Sun Moon Rising for the month of September 2025. This is a general reading based on collective energies, so it may or may not resonate with you. If it doesn't resonate with you, you can check out the reading for your other signs. If you don't know how to check your other signs, you can check out my previous video on zodiac signs. Link is in the description below. Also, do stick to the end of the video to know your monthly oracle guidance card for this month. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. So let's get on with the reading for Cancer or Karkat Rashi for the month of September. So Cancer, I see you guys trying to gain your strength. This comes to you as an advice and definitely trying to gain your power. There is also this also comes as an advice. So for many of you, this month is going to be about you gaining your strength, gaining your courage. आपको आप फोकस कीजिए कि आप और भी पावरफुल हो सके और भी फोकस कर सके आपके इनर स्ट्रेंथ के ऊपर, because the energy that is surrounding you is of the king of swords. So mental energies, mental strength के ऊपर फोकस कीजिए, क्योंकि सामने जो वक्त आने वाला है, सामने जो एनर्जीज आने वाले हैं ये मन, उसके लिए आपको ये मेंटल स्ट्रेंथ का बहुत ज़रूरी है आपके लिए. I will get into this as we go along, but the main theme of this month would be you trying to gain your mental strength, trying to gain your inner power over things so that you can handle the situation or the energies that will be coming your way this month. Now, when it comes to your career and finances, you do get the hangman. So you need to focus on gaining new perspectives, gaining a new outlook, नए तरीके से चीज़ों को समझने के लिए कोशिश कीजिए, स्पेसिफिकली इन योर करियर एंड फाइनेंसेस. ऑल्सो हड़बड़ी में कुछ मत कीजिए. दिस इज़ एन एनर्जी ऑफ थोड़ा रुक के चलने का, थोड़ा थाम के चलने का लाइफ में. और स्पेशली आपके जो करियर है, फाइनेंसेस है, उसके ऊपर. इफ़ यू आर अ स्टूडेंट, दिस ऑल्सो comes to you as an advice कि there is something that you need to shift your outlook upon. आप जैसे चीज़ों को कर रहे हैं, जैसे चीज़ों को परस्यू कर रहे हैं एकेडमिकली, वो शायद करेक्ट नहीं है. आपको नया कुछ तरीके से उसको परस्यू करना चाहिए, तभी आपको एक डिफरेंट आउटकम आएगा. Now, when it comes to your love and relationships, there is a person very mature. This person could be a Taurus, a Virgo, or a Capricorn, but this person is there. This person is probably more mature than you, is probably more stable than you in life. I know, and this stability could be mentally or financially, but this more probably towards financial stability. But this person is a good sign for you. This person is a good match for you, because see, the King of Pentacles usually encompasses the energy of the earth element, and being a Cancer with the water element, the earth and water element gel very well together. So like I said, this person may feel very close to heart, may feel like you vibe with this person very nicely, very smoothly. एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग है आप दोनों के अंदर, दोनों के बीच. और ये अंडरस्टैंडिंग काइंड ऑफ स्टेम्स फ्रॉम अ म्यूचुअल रिस्पेक्ट फॉर ईच अदर, म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर. मैच्योरिटी उनका ज़्यादा हो सकता है, बट ऑब्वियसली दिस पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड्स योर state of mind and kind of celebrates and enjoys your little bit of immaturity that might be there. So a good energies, if you don't have a person, for the single folks, this person might be coming your way. This very stable, very mature kind of energy, like person, might be coming your way this month. Now, when it comes to your health, good energies, but you will be provided with options. You will be provided with a choice to improve it, to make it better. And this is also an advice to, uplift your health overall. फोकस कीजिए थोड़े अपने हेल्थ पे, बिकॉज देर इज कॉलिंग, कोई चीज़ आपके पास रिवील हो सकता है रिलेटेड टू हेल्थ, एंड दिस रेवलेशन will lead you to focus more on your health, physical or mental, and provide you with an opportunity to lift yourself up, to lift your health up overall. So yeah, good energies, improvement in health definitely coming your way if you accept it, if you pursue it, and yeah, overall I would say good. Now the other energies that is there, so definitely you are taking action towards something. This action that you might be taking will lead to some sort of shock, some sort of panic, एंड आपको वैसा फीलिंग हो सकता है ना, बिकॉज यू डू गेट द लाइक टावर, सो वो सेंस आपके अंदर आएगा, आप वैसा फील करेंगे कि अचानक से कुछ टूट गया, कुछ बिखर गया काइंड ऑफ, एंड जो आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा, इमेजिन भी नहीं किया होगा आपने, वैसा कुछ एनर्जीज दिखा रहे हैं विद द टावर. एंड दिस यूजुअली कम्स टू यू टू मेक यू रियलाइज कि जो चीज़ आप सोच रहे हैं कि बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत सही है आपके लिए, वो एक्चुअली है नहीं. आप गलत फहमी में जी रहे थे रिलेटेड टू दैट पार्ट, दैट एक्शन दैट यू टेक, और जो चीज़ बिखरने वाला है, जो चीज़ टूटने वाला है. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू स्केयर यू, बट द टावर कार्ड इज यूजुअली सीन, although the outcome is positive, but it's usually seen with a element of shock and pain. So pain तो रहेगा थोड़ा बहुत, shock भी रहेगा थोड़ा बहुत, but this is necessary, and for you to realize a lot of things, because I also obviously see the tower moment happens, and उसके बाद दिल तो दुखेगा, दिल तो टूटेगा, and there will be pain involved, there will be more focus on the negative from your side. आप ज़्यादा ही negative पे focus करना शुरू हो जाएंगे after the tower moment. But negativity, there is loss obviously, but you were kind of perceiving the whole thing as complete loss, but it's not completely lost. There is some positivity coming out of it, and I understand that the part of sadness or the part of loss is more, the percentage of it is more compared to what positivity is there, but I don't see you even focusing on that little part of positivity, because जो चला गया वो तो चला गया, आप उस पर फोकस कर नहीं सकते. Instead, try focusing on the positive side of things, and try to start afresh, try to build again. जो है उसी को लेके आप फिर से शुरू कीजिए, ग्रो करना, पॉजिटिविटी अट्रैक्ट करना अपने लाइफ में, बिकॉज द मोर वी पॉन्डर अपॉन द नेगेटिव थिंग्स और द लॉस, द मोर स्लो आवर प्रोग्रेस इज टुवर्ड्स पॉजिटिविटी. सो या कैंसर, थोड़ा पॉजिटिव रहिए. लाइक सी, दिस इज द रीजन यू गेट द स्ट्रेंथ कार्ड, like I said, in your theme for the month. So you need to build your strength this month, because without that, facing these situations, facing these energies overall will be tough this month. So try focusing on the strength part of your on your mental and physical strength, but more on your mental side and emotional side as well. Now the energy that you should focus upon this month is the Three of Pentacles. So this comes to you as an advice, and this mainly signifies that सब चीज़ आपको अकेले करना नहीं है। जब आपको हेल्प चाहिए, अगर आप अकेले कर नहीं पा रहे चीज़ों को हैंडल, अगर आप इमोशनली खुद को संभाल नहीं पा रहे हैं, देयर आर पीपल, देयर आर लाइक माइंडेड पीपल अराउंड यू, टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम देम, सीक देयर हेल्प, बात कीजिए, कम्युनिकेट कीजिए, बोलिए उनको क्या तकलीफ हो रहा है आपको लाइफ में, and they will be a support system for you this month. This could be friends, this could be people who you hang around with, or your co-workers, but there is this like-minded people, and they are definitely going to be a big support for you this month. This comes to you as an advice actually. So yeah, Cancer, overall good energies, but we like mixed energies. I won't say good energies because the Tower and the Five Cups is there. So mixed energies, but try building up your strength and try taking help from people around you, people you trust, people you believe. So now let's look at what messages or advice is coming your way from the Oracle cards this month. So you get intuition, see, with a heart. So this comes as an advice, like I don't even have to read the message, I can still I can tell you what this means, but let's read it anyway. Each person's road to the inner Lord is extraordinary and personal. How liberating to listen inside and sense moment to moment was needed. So yeah, focus on the inward, focus on your heart, try to understand your heart, try to uh, you know believe on the intuition, on your intuitive feeling this month, because this will guide you a lot this month. समझने की कोशिश कीजिए, अपने आप को समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। और इंट्यूशन मतलब क्या, जो आपके अंदर का फीलिंग होता है ना, जो अंदर का वॉइस होता है, जो आपको बोलता है कि ये सही है, ये गलत है, ये करो, ये मत करो, दैट इज इंट्यूशन. एंड द मोर यू लिसन टू इट, द मोर यू फोकस टूवर्ड्स इट this month, the easier it is going to be for you to handle these energies of the month of September. So yeah, Cancer, that would be all for the reading this month. If the reading resonated with you, do like the video and leave a comment to claim the reading. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, have a good day and bye.